task at Frogwarts Academy, it's time to get ready for dun 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 dun. Thanks, Jade. Finals. Final exams? Oh no! Where are my notes? Relax, Sophie. We got you covered. I was looking at Little Froggy's notes and I was like, wow, these are so awesome. Taking the time to rewrite your notes to make them aesthetically pleasing is a great way to study. So we've made some printables so our dolls can join in on the fun. This is a quick craft that you can download from our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. We have 2 pages, one with a notebook, some pens, and a notepad, and the other has magazine holders, calculators, a pot, some leaves, and a light box. Let's start with the spiral notebook. I start by carefully cutting out the 2 rows of pages, keeping all of the pages together. I use a rectangle of clear plastic as a tool to place on the lines between the pages to make my creases. I find it easier to fold all of the pages the same direction first. Then I can go back and fold them accordion style. Use a glue stick to apply glue to the back side of the pages so we can make them 2-sided. When I get to the end, I will have 1 single page left over. Take the other strip of pages, make creases just as before, glue the last page in the first row to the first page in the second row. Glue the rest of the pages together to finish the spiral notebook. This is the easiest spiral notebook. It only takes a few minutes to make. We have notes printed on the first couple of pages, but then after that they are blank, so your dolls can take their own notes. To go along with our spiral notebook, cut out the colored rectangles, cut Q-tips to the length of the paper, roll the paper around the Q-tip, and glue it in place. Before gluing it, you can trim it down to the portion that you need to make them thinner. Repeat to make the other colors. Cut out the pink rectangles at the bottom, stack them together, run a glue stick across the top edge to make a notepad with tearaway pages. On the second printable, cut out the magazine holders, glue it onto cardstock, cut it out, fold on the lines, make small cuts on the lines at the bottom, trim off the corners to make tabs. Fold them over, starting with the shorter sides, then the longer sides to make a magazine holder that we can use to store our spiral notebook. Use different colored cardstock on the inside for a little variety. These are large enough to fit the folders that we made in our back to school video. There are 6 different calculators to choose from. Cut one out, glue it onto cardstock, cut it out, glue it onto the cardstock again, cut it out and repeat a few more times to make a calculator. With so many to choose from, the dolls could have a different one every day of the week. At the bottom of the printable, there is a long white rectangle. Cut it out, wrap it around a marker, using glue to secure it along the way. Glue it onto an open space on the paper, add hot glue to the bottom. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. While waiting for it to dry, cut out the leaves, glue 2 mirror cutouts back to back, fold down the center to make the leaf 2-sided. Repeat to make more. Take the tube and carefully peel it from the paper. Glue the leaves inside to make a potted plant. Cut out the small sign, glue it onto layers of cardstock or black foam board. Cut it out to make a light box for a little motivation. Now our dolls have everything they need for a successful study night. Thank you for joining us while we made study notes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at myfroggystuff and the Frog Vlog.
And you're done. Happy crafting!
Last call, present
ignored. School's out, hit the floor, stays home, getting bored. Wild nights, all the fun. Live life in the sun, things you should have done. Broken dreams.
We want to give a shout out to Emily0719. What's up? Must keep studying. Chloe, tell me, how long has it been?
You've only been studying for 10 minutes, Sophie.